Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producer. Ever since Daft Punk invented sidechain compression in the 90s, producers from around the globe have been asking themselves the same basic question.
What do we do now?
After all, sonic perfection had been achieved. Well, today, I have the answer. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Sidechain compression is single-handedly the greatest thing to ever happen to music. It allows us to take a shit song like this and turn it into something beautiful by taking Curtis the compressor, opening up his organs, enabling the sidechain, taking the audio from the shit kick, turning up the ratio all the way up and the threshold all the way down to make it sound like this. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard in my entire life. But here's the thing, Daft Punk already did this, so we have to take it a step further. Let's delete Curtis and open up the auto filter and do the exact same thing, opening up his organs, enabling the sidechain, taking the audio from the shit kick, and it'll sound like the exact same thing. Nothing happened. Well, the thing is, we haven't actually told the auto filter what to do with the incoming signal. With this envelope tool, we can decide how the auto filter behaves every time the kick hits. If we turn it down to -127, the auto filter will sweep down every time the kick hits, creating this nice whoosh effect. Holy cock! Let's turn the freak down, turn up the res. Oh my gosh. It's better than Daft Punk. We could also turn the envelope to a positive amount so that the filter sweeps up every single time the drums hit. Whoa! What the heck? This is the future of electronic music. But ladies and gentlemen, that's not all. This is 2018, and we have to take things a step further. So let's go ahead and open up the gate. Once again, opening up his organs, enabling the sidechain, taking the audio from the kick. This time, every time the kick hits, it's gonna allow the synth to play, but nowhere else. Here's what I mean. Huh, interesting. Notice how the synth is only being let through the gate when that kick hits. We can also turn the floor to -infinity to make this effect more extreme. But here's the thing, on my shit kick track, I also have these shit hats. Maybe instead of taking the audio from the shit kick, let's actually take it from the shit hats. You'll notice that there's this second drop down menu that allows us to select a specific drum hit within our drum rack. Let's select the shit hats, pre-post, post mixer, it doesn't really matter. Let's hear how that sounds. Oh, cock! Oh my gosh, this is the future of electronic music again. Maybe let's try this. Oh! Oh my gosh. It's 1998. I'm discovering Daft Punk all over again. Wowzers. Okay, so check it. In today's lesson, we learn not only how to sidechain compress, but filter and gate. If you still don't know what any of these words mean, try signing up for a private lesson by hitting the link in the video description below. I'm Underbelly. See you next week.